In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Ctrl F not working in Google Sheets. If pressing Ctrl F in a spreadsheet doesn't bring up the find box, there's a good chance your browser's stored site data for Google Sheets is interfering. We'll quickly clear that data for the site, reload, and get the shortcut working again. If you're on a Mac, remember that Command F is the equivalent. Start by opening your browser and heading to Google Sheets. You can open any spreadsheet or the Sheets homepage. The fix is the same. Once the page is open, look at the address bar. On the far left, right next to the URL, you'll see the site information icon, often a padlock or similar symbol. Click that to open the site information panel. In the panel, choose cookies and site data. This shows what the site has stored locally in your browser, which can include cookies and local storage that help the app run. If any of that data becomes corrupted, it can cause odd behavior like keyboard shortcuts not responding. Next, select Manage On-Device Site Data. The wording may be slightly different depending on the browser, but you're looking for the option that lets you view and manage what this site has saved locally. You should now see entries for Google Sheets and related Google domains. Delete all the site data for Google Sheets by clicking the delete icon. This removes cookies and local storage for the site, forcing the page to start fresh the next time it loads. A quick heads up, removing site data may sign you out and clear some site-specific preferences. Your files in Drive aren't affected and you can sign back in after the refresh. When you're done, click Done to close the dialogues. Now refresh the page. You can use the reload button in the toolbar or press Ctrl R. When the page comes back, open your spreadsheet again and try the shortcut. Press Ctrl F and you should see the find box appear at the top right of the sheet, ready to search your data. Try typing a word you know is on the sheet to confirm. It highlights results and moves through matches correctly. If it's still not responding, a quick workaround is to try another browser like Firefox or Microsoft Edge to verify it's a browser-specific issue. In many cases, though, clearing the site data and reloading resolves the problem immediately. That's it. Your find shortcut in Google Sheets should be working again.